Don't wake the baby. We have a new baby in our house. His hands are tiny. His feet are tiny. He's so cute. So cute, little baby. I want to kiss the baby on his nose. No, says Mom. Don't wake the baby. A car goes by. Beep, beep. The baby does not wake up. The telephone rings. Ring, ring. The baby does not wake up. A hammer bangs. Bang, bang. The baby does not wake up. A dog barks. Bow, wow. The baby does not wake up. A tiny fly buzzes by. Bzz. Oh no, the baby wakes up. The baby says, wow, wow, wow. The baby's crying. Mom brings the baby a bottle of milk. The baby doesn't want the bottle. Dad brings the baby a bunny. The baby doesn't want the bunny. I sit in a chair. I hold the baby. The baby says, goo, goo, goo. The baby wants me. So I kiss the baby on his nose. Soon the baby shouts. Soon the baby shuts his eyes. Shh! Don't wake the baby. That's all.